Let's talk ceiling fans. The seller sent me over this ceiling fan to test out, and I'm glad they did. I can't wait to get this unboxed and then installed in my guest room. So follow along. Let's see what this ceiling fan is all about. Now, it's a nice feature to have everything already pre-assembled right out of the box. So all you have to do is put the ceiling mount on and then get this installed. So let's do that now. And that's how simple it is to install this low profile ceiling light. I am completely satisfied with the product. I like the fact that it comes already assembled in the box and you don't have to worry about putting it together. All you gotta do is uninstall the mount and then get it installed on the ceiling and then put the light fixture to it, which you could do within minutes. Now, the housing is plastic on the outside, but there is a sturdy metal on the inside, and the fan is a harder plastic as well. You can see the LED ring here, which you could change between different tones depending on your color tone. You could also change the brightness on it as well. Now, if you wanted to switch it to a solid color, we could do that as well. Or if you wanted it to go through a certain pattern, whether if it's like a train that goes around, if it flashes, if it has different colors and options, you could do that directly through the remote. And the fan has between 1 and 6 different speeds. Let's put that on and you can see it. Also with the fan, during the winter time, you're able to reverse the fan blades, so that way you could push the hot air that's on your ceiling downwards, and then in the summer, you could reverse it back to where it needs to be. Really quiet fan. It does push enough air around the room to circulate it, but this is on level 6. And I could barely even hear it. You could probably hear it through the microphone, but it's not loud at all. Now, the last thing you could do is if you did want to set it on a timer, you could do a 1 or a 4-hour timer, set it and forget it, and it'll automatically shut off. Now, the bonus is with this product is that it comes with its very own app. So once you download the app and then connect it directly to this fixture, you're then able to use all the different features of this ceiling fan through the app. So you could pick and choose your colors, the type of style that it is, whether if it's fading, rotating, blinking, or if you just wanted to set a schedule for it to turn on and off, you could do that as well. Overall, I'm completely satisfied with this fan, and I think you will be too. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Thanks again for watching, and good luck with your purchase.